What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Figured it's about time to catch up with you guys and give you guys an update on my Trek Fuel EX5. Today though, I actually am going to be specifically looking at the handlebars. So come over here and take a look. Okay, so over here, you'll see that I have the OEM factory Bontrager, and they have virtually no rise. I think it's like a 15% rise. So I have really enjoyed my PNW dropper post, and I figured since PNW made such a nice dropper post, I would go ahead and get their PNW Range handlebar to install. So their 780 clamp, I don't know if you can see that really well. They're 780 wide, and they have a 30% rise. So you can see probably, maybe, I don't know. You can definitely see, because you can see almost the whole handlebar underneath of these with me just kind of holding it in place. And they're a little bit wider, which I'm actually kind of excited about, but I really want to see how the width comes on. The branding looks really good. The stickers look like they're not going to come off very easy. And they have a very nice texture to them. I don't know how well that's going to show up in there. But don't worry, once I get everything installed, I'll get a nice close-up of it and let you guys see what it actually looks like. What's up guys, out here for another ride today. Today I'm actually going to be testing out the recently installed PNW Range dropper post. It replaced the factory Bontrager dropper post, which had like no rise at all. I'm real curious to see about the seated position, and also very interested in seeing what the difference is going to be on the bar length. These are much longer than the bar length that came with the factory. I think the factory was a 740, where these are 780. So let me go ahead and get geared up and we'll get out on the trail and test it out. So immediately the width of the bar and the bar's presence is noticeable. Do a warm-up lap on Gateway. Get warmed up. Nice casual warm-up. The bars are a lot wider, and I think maybe if I took just a hair off of the ends, I could probably feel like a different body position, seating position. A little warm-up. Once we're warmed up, we'll head on over to Blue Jay and give Moonshine a run. See if we can get some jumps in and see what that feels like. Let's see here. Hey, made it all the way across. I remembered to turn the wind noise on today. When I rode in my last video, I forgot to turn that on because I had used the GoPro for something else. So hopefully that helps today. It's not so obnoxious watching the video. I feel all right now. We'll see how I feel as we get into the trail a little bit further. Feeling good. I don't know, maybe I'll leave them here. When I'm standing up, they feel really good. Oh yeah. Woo. Oh, let's get out of here today. Alright. Let's go. Nice. Real nice. Gonna go over the bridge and then come to the end of Blue Jay and take a stretch. So just stopping to stretch before we head on into Moonshine. And once we started hitting some of the berms and jumps, it felt pretty good. Honestly, I think 760 is probably right where I want to be. I'm going to finish this ride out. I think I have a really good sense though. 780 is too much, 740 is too little. So I think 760 is probably right where I want to be. Let me finish my stretching and then we'll hit up on Moonshine. Ooh, when you stop and get started again, that feels nice. This one doesn't have enough lip. Hey. Oh, love that jump. Ooh, feeling good, getting out, we're moving. Nice easy jump. All right, we're getting ready to come out of Moonshine. We'll have a couple more jumps to hit and then we'll have a drop off. Only like my third ride of the new season, so I'm gonna take it a little easy. All right, let's go. Hit it right in the middle. Oh yeah. Wow. All right, that was nice. Nice and smooth. Great way to finish that trail off.
I think you lose. Yeah, I saw your wheel moving a little bit.
Thanks, I appreciate that. I definitely wasn't feeling that. Oh. Well, that would have been bad. but climb back out after all the fun's over. Gotta climb a little to get in here, and then climb a little to get back out. I will say at least it's balanced. I get a little. Well, it was a fun little ride to finish the weekend off on. Appreciate you guys joining up with me. Thanks, guys. Peace.